Tired of cleaning your home every single day? Meet the all-new AIRROBO L60, the smart robot vacuum and mop designed to make cleaning completely effortless. With an incredible 6,000 pascals powerful suction, it removes hidden dust, pet hair, and stubborn dirt from carpets and hard floors with ease. Powered by advanced laser navigation and obstacle avoidance, the AIRROBO maps your home with precision, smoothly avoiding furniture and obstacles for smarter cleaning every time. Smart Ultrasonic Carpet Detection automatically detects carpets, avoiding them while mopping or activating Carpet Boost Mode for deeper carpet cleaning. Its massive 5,200 milliamp hours battery delivers up to 240 minutes of runtime, perfect for large homes without interruption. The anti-tangle rubber brush easily handles long hair and pet fur,